Let's learn how to mount the Raspberry Pi on Pichondria. Pichondria comes with a set of standoffs, screws and a single piece of acrylic sheet. The acrylic sheet is mounted below the lithium-ion batteries and the longest set of standoff is used to mount the acrylic sheet. Then, there will be male-to-female set of standoffs and female-to-female set of standoffs of equal length. The female-to-female standoff is used if there are no headers to be mounted on Raspberry Pi. If there are other headers to be mounted, use the male-to-female standoffs so that you can mount the other standoff on the male part of the standoff. Firstly, let's consider the Pichondria without the batteries. It is advised to avoid Pichondria with batteries during assembly, as loose screws may fall and potentially lead to short circuits on the board. We will assemble the Raspberry Pi on Pichondria, without any other headers, and will make use of the female-to-female standoff. Let's place the longest standoff on the side of the battery holder, and the shorter standoff on the other side, on all mounting holes on the Pichondria. Now, let's place the Raspberry Pi onto the Pichondria. Ensure that the pogo pins make contact with the pins of the Raspberry Pi. When the mounting holes are properly aligned, the pogo pins will automatically align with the pins. Secure the Raspberry Pi onto the Pichondria using screws. Ensure that the pogo pins are aligned before tightening the screws. After securely attaching the Raspberry Pi to the Pichondria, proceed to insert the lithium-ion cells into their designated slots. Plug in the adapter to unlock the battery protection circuit. Finally, turn on the device by pressing the on-off switch once. Now, attach the acrylic sheet on the side of the lithium-ion cells using the given screws. The installation is now complete.